All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. And your topic is describe a book that you have read many times. Please, you can start.
Reading books is a form of entertainment and concentrated. Today, I would like to talk about a book I have
Read.
read many times. The name of book is Atomic Micro Habits by James Clear. In this book, he explained how to change your habits from negative to positive, and he divided this book in four sections. And first section is small things make big differences, like how one can change their habits 1% in every day. And the second one is how don't focus on your goals or results, instead of focusing your system like you want. One can try to focus on their practice and daily basis. And third one is third heading is about to how build of identity ideas, like one can avoid negative things in some persons you don't like, and someone is like a person who finds some positive things in it. And the last one is how someone how try to find believing in good things, like and in this book I get informations about the habits. And I'm very interested in this book because I'm also try to avoid some
I
bad thing.
try to avoid.
I try to avoid some bad things, and by
Okay,
I
thank you.
read it.
1 minute and 36 seconds. Overall, it's good. There are minor grammatical mistakes which you can overcome by practicing, right? Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do you prefer to read books or watch a movie?
Sometimes it depends on my mood, or in my opinions, some I prefer book reading because it's creating some ideas, and it's build our habit of reading things and easily understanding it, and creating idea in our minds. So I
Okay,
prefer book reading.
creating ideas in our mind. Your sentence structure is not accurate. You're not using subject. You're just communicating with ing form, creating ideas, going there, coming back, enjoying. You should say, reading book creates ideas in our
In my
mind,
mind.
or book reading creates ideas in our mind. Subject is missing.
Okay.
Okay, let's go on. Do boys and girls like the same kinds of books?
No, I don't think so. Boys like the books in their interest, like in technology and this type of books. But girls like the books that are related their daily life, base life. So,
Okay, this answer is
s
short, so there should be some explanation in that, right?
okay,
Work hard with it, okay? And especially speaking part 3 and brush up your basic English grammar,
okay.
right? Thank you.